welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller, and today I have another Goodwill Bins thrift haul. So this is about 3 or 4 trips to the Goodwill Bins. So lots of things here. I spent probably $20 to $30 on each of those trips. A lot of the stuff I've already have listed, which is awesome. And then I have some things that are on hangers that were upstairs that I had to take down, and they're just sitting here on the hangers. These things have not been listed yet. So let's jump in. I'm gonna kind of go quick because there's a lot to go over. So I might talk on some of the items that I think need a little bit more explaining, but some of the things that we've seen a lot of, or like the bread and butter pieces, I'm just gonna kind of go quickly. Okay, I want to go over a few items that already shipped out, so I didn't have them on hand for the haul, but these items sold fast. So the first item was this John Varvatos men's jacket. This sold in a few days on Poshmark for $60. And the next item is this Azazi new with tags bridesmaid dress. I was so happy to find this in the bins. I love selling Azazi, guys. This sold so quickly for $48. And then next was this Free People blouse. This was a little bit dated, but it did sell pretty quickly for the $18. Next were these Madewell chambray shorts. These did not weigh a lot, so I kind of just threw them in my cart. They were in great condition also, so that made me want to pick them up. They sold for $20 on Poshmark. Next was this Anthropologie textured blouse. This was so cute. It had puff sleeves and it was also a newer style. It sold very quickly for $16. The last item that already shipped out is this Urban Outfitters ribbed brami or cami, like little crop top. This sold on Poshmark for $15 very shortly after I listed it. Okay, I have this matching vintage set. Look at how pretty this butterfly pattern is. So this is the skirt. It's like midi length. It fits about a size 6. And then this is the blouse. Super cute. It is missing a button, so I definitely put that in the listing. But really cute little vintage set. There's no brand or anything on this, but I did model it. So I ended up getting this vintage crocheted. It says knitted by hand. I just think this is really pretty. I can use keywords like artsy, patchwork, crochet, vest, sleeveless blouse. And this is a true size medium. I thought this was so pretty. Next, I have this vintage, I think it was from 1991 when I did the research online, Walt Disney World sleeveless tank. Okay, here's another item that I modeled. How adorable is this? And the colors are so vibrant and like bold. Like it doesn't look that bold or vibrant, but when you look up close, there's like this really pretty like periwinkle blue. It kind of matches my nails actually. And it just really pops out. It's so gorgeous. I love the mock neck. Okay, next is this The Limited 100% genuine leather animal print or leopard print blazer suit jacket. Super cool. Okay guys, I love selling Azazi, so I had to pick up this one shoulder maxi dress. Great condition. Usually when I see these dresses, there's like stains and like the bottoms are all messed up, but this one was in great condition, so I decided to put it in my cart at the bins. Lululemon shorts. I think these are called the speed up short. Another vintage piece. I guess that's the theme of this haul. This is kind of like an 80s or 90s cowl neck, color block, fleece sweatshirt. New with tag, Baltic born maxi dress. This is so pretty. I love the color. It's like this emerald green. Gorgeous. This is the tag. I wouldn't pay a lot for this at the store, but since it was in the bins and it was new with tag, substantial piece, definitely put it in my cart. Lululemon wrap or shaw. So it has that. Gymshark leggings. I'm just gonna give these to Play-Dohs. I think there's some wear There's some wear here, so I'm gonna run my deep pillar over this and just give it to Play-Dohs because I know that they love picking up Gymshark. This is a kid's Walt Disney World Spirit jersey. How cute is that? Next is this Zara pink blazer. I can use keywords like Barbiecore, Barbie, bubblegum pink, those kind of things. This is in great condition, so I don't love picking up Zara, but since this was like very substantial and I could use some good keywords, I felt like this was a good pickup. Also, when I was in the bins, I was thinking this could be a blogger's favorite like Zara item, which I did find some really cool pictures. So I'm gonna use that keyword as well. Badgley Mishka, cold shoulder, kind of like a hot neon pink dress. This is kind of dated, but since it was in the bins, I just picked it up and it's in great condition too. Madewell, the Cali Demi Boot blue jeans. Banana Republic satin wrap dress. J. Jill cardigan. This kind of has like a shorter length sleeve. And right next to that was another J. Jill cardigan. This one is a bit more substantial. It's duster length. Really cute. I think it's a linen and cotton blend. Okay, this was so adorable. This is a vintage Oscar de la Renta, like 90s formal or evening gown, satin. This is just like very classic. I could use keywords like rich aesthetic or old money. This is so adorable. Packed zip up sweater. It has fleece, and this is a great brand to know, guys. Here's the label. Okay, this I think is like a blogger's favorite sweatshirt. This is called The Bar. And there was so many cute little pictures of girls wearing this sweatshirt. And it has so much attention. I think it has like 19 likers on my Poshmark listing already. And I just listed it like maybe 2 weeks ago, I would say. So pretty cool. And then here's another J. Jill cardigan. This was next to those other two that I showed you guys. For this one, I'm gonna use keywords like Fair Isle, Scandinavia, those kind of things, because I feel like that's the audience that would love this adorable cardigan. Okay, this is Mini Bowden, and it's just like this holiday Christmas dress. This is in like new condition, so adorable. This is all embroidered. Vintage 100% silk, men's size large button-up shirt. Chico's metallic jacket. Okay, moving on to the hangers. So these items have not been listed yet. I think there's might be some that have been, but most of them have not been. This is a Columbia men's coat. It's like a duffel coat, I would say. Wool combo. Really nicely made. I would say this might be like Y2K, kind of, if I had to date it. 100% cashmere scarf. This doesn't have a brand, but it just had this tag that says 100% cashmere. So I'll just list this, and hopefully like in the fall this will sell. It doesn't weigh a lot, so I just put it in my cart. Garnet Hill 100% linen, kind of like a 3/4 length sleeve tunic dress. Okay, I got this for me, but I kind of don't want it, so I'm just gonna throw it up. It's just this Gildan, kind of like a nature or animal t-shirt with an embroidered, is this an elk? I think this is an elk. So that, yeah, this is an elk. It says Jenny Wiley State Resort. I don't know, I think this is cute. I'll use a lot of keywords like wildlife, nature, hiking, forest green, olive green. There's a lot of different keywords I can use, so. Okay, another asymmetrical bridesmaid dress. This is a size 16, which is great, and the brand is called Bill Levkoff, which I don't think that this sells as well as a Zazie. It doesn't, but I liked the size on this, and then I thought that this was cute and just in great condition. So I definitely think this will sell eventually. Victoria's Secret satin robe with the belt. Okay, this is a Wacoal bra. I mean, I'm not expecting a lot for this, but I'll just throw it up and see what happens. Another Victoria's Secret satin robe. This one also has the belt and a little bit more detail. LL Bean signature fisherman cable net sweater. This brand is a little bit higher end within the LL Bean clothing line when you see that Bean signature. So that was really cool. This is 100% cotton. Vintage, fall, autumn, Halloween, patchwork sweatshirt, fleece sweatshirt. This is so soft. Like the fleece inside is just so dang soft. Okay, I found this little lingerie chemise top. This is so cute. The brand is called Ooh La La Sherry. And it was sold at Nordstrom, so that definitely got my attention. This doesn't weigh a lot, so I just threw it in my cart. I think somebody will definitely pick this up. Vintage equestrian pattern, like novelty print, chore jacket or shacket. This is so cute. It's like quilted kind of, and I like this corduroy detail. Really pretty. Nike running shorts, size extra large. Okay, this piece is amazing. This is Talbot's 100% lamb's wool. It says made in Italy, and it's just like this fringe wrap. Super cute. This is in great condition. The wool is just so gently used. This will definitely sell in the fall. Bergdorf Goodman 100% silk shirt. I liked this because I like this collar. Like it has all the buttons all the way up, so you can like wear it all the way up. Like it was just a little bit different, and I liked the color. I don't know. I probably will sit on this for a little bit, but I thought it was just really well made and nice. Dress the Population maxi dress. It kind of has an illusion that it's an open back. It's really pretty. Soma plush and satin robe. If this had anything wrong with it, I would not have gotten it, but since it was in great condition, I just put it in my cart. I think this will do really well. This Ralph Lauren like crest sweater with this cute little collar. There is some like a little bit of yellowing along the collar, but it's really not that bad. And I'm gonna use, again, like keywords like academia, old money, rich aesthetic, those kind of things, because I think that's the audience. Oh wait, I think this goes inside. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I think it's supposed to like go inside, like be tucked in. Guys, I love selling Ralph Lauren. Theory peplum blouse. Daniel Rutchter 100% cotton zip-up sweater. This is have you guys sold this brand? I've never sold it. I'm trying it out. And last but not least, I got this huge, very heavy Kyber 100% wool jacket. This is size, I think it's an extra, extra large. Yeah, extra, extra large, made in Nepal. It has like this adorable novelty scene. I wasn't excited about this in the bins just because of how heavy it was, and then I was looking up comps and I was really hoping that this was like a banger, but you know, it's going, maybe it'll sell probably around $50 mark, something like that. I talked to my friend in the bins and I was like, what do you think of this? And she was like, wow, that's a great find. Like she was really excited. So I was like, okay, that made me feel a little bit better because I didn't know. And then the inside also is fleece. So this is just like really nicely made, really thick, very warm. So hopefully this does well. Okay guys, that was everything I wanted to show you in this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I was kind of going quicker than I normally do. Let me know if you liked that. I feel like a lot of this stuff was bread and butter items. To be honest, these last few times I went to the bins, I wasn't having like these really crazy hauls or anything. Like I was just kind of finding like a lot of vintage items or a lot of things that needed like extra photos and more work and like a lot of measurements. Maybe I have to model some things because there's no stock photos. Things like that, which is fine. I was able to get a lot of it listed, so that's good. But yeah, a lot of this stuff was just kind of bread and butter. There wasn't really a lot of things that like stood out as like crazy finds or anything, but Still really happy about it, and I'm just happy I can get some things listed on my Poshmark. I think that there is some quality items here, just more of the bread and butter, or like things that are gonna have to wait a little bit, but I'm okay with that. So yeah, let me know how you guys have been doing at your bins locations. Also, update on the video with my husband. He has changed his mind again. He's like, I don't think I wanna do it. I asked him, I was like, do you want to film that Q&A video over the weekend? And he was like, actually, I don't think I want to do it. I was like, okay, whatever. We don't have to. I'm not gonna force him to do it if he doesn't want to. So yeah, maybe in the future he'll change his mind again. I don't know, but he just wasn't feeling up to it again. So I guess we're putting that on the back burner. Maybe in the future we'll revisit it if he wants to, but hey, that's how it goes. But okay, that is everything, and I hope you guys are having an awesome week. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!